Hey, good morning, seventh graders. I unexpectedly won't be able to be in class today. I have to take my son to the doctor. So I'm going to go over what your assignment is, whether you have a guest teacher or have to be in the auditorium. You're going to continue working on the ice cream design notebook. So doing research questions today and watching a couple videos. So I'm going to show you where that's located, and then you'll be doing this work independently. In your design notebook, there are two videos that you should watch. And so you can see the first one is going to be, this is the middle of task number 2. And I know I'm going fast. So under task number 2, you'll see there's an introduction. And this is going to talk about the ice cream making process of how we're going to get our ice cream to solidify from milk, cream, things that are liquid. So you'll read through this and then watch this video. It says, how does salt melt ice? And most people think of salt melting ice, but that's not really the case. So as you watch this video, keep these questions in mind because you're going to be answering them afterwards. So what happens when you add salt to ice? And how can melted ice be colder than a solid ice cube? So think about that as if you have ice that's actually melted in liquid form, it's possible it's colder than an ice cube. So think of those questions. You don't need to do anything with the recipe today. We'll talk about that more on Friday. But underneath this, you'll see there's a few more research questions that you could answer. So your goal today is to watch that video, answer these research questions for task number 2, and then lastly, this is going to be under task number 1. Oops, at the bottom. We watched a couple of these videos on Monday, and today you're going to now watch the Modern Marvels, How Ice Cream is Made. So you'll watch this. You have headphones available to you up front, and then we'll talk about that again on Friday. Be kind today. Take care of your own business and show your character that it doesn't take me being there, that you can still get your work done and do the right choices. So we'll see you on Friday. Enjoy your day.